Hello students, this is Rajni Singh and welcome to my classes. Yesterday we started a chapter number 1 and solved the exercise 1.1 and we filled these blanks yesterday. So now your second question is place commas correctly and write the numerals, and your first question is 73,75,307. So firstly you check it, this numeration is according to which system, means in Indian system according or international. So yesterday we make this chart and here you search lakh value is in Indian system. So firstly write this numeration is Indian system according or put the commas. So in 73 lakh, firstly you think in lakh you have 50, so you draw 5 blanks here. So this is 5 blanks here and write the number. So here 73, write this number on this place. Next is 75,000 and in 1000 we have 3 zeros, so you have to left this place and write the values in this place. So here you have 75. So how can you write it? You write like that. This is 75 and next is 307. So 307 we write like as 307 and again you have to put commas. So here I write 7375307 and in Indian system you have to put commas last 3 digit and after 2 digit. So this is 73,75,307. Now your question number B is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So in this numeration is according to Indian system because crore we read in Indian system and in crore we have 7 zeros. So firstly you draw 7 blanks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and here 9 crore. So we write this number here and next 5 lakh 41. So 5 lakh we have 5 zeros. So we left these places 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 5 lakh how can you write? Only 5 means here you write 5 and next is 41. So 41 is here. Now you see here this place, this and this is blank places, so you have to put 0 here. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now here you have to put commas. So this is according to Indian system. So how can you put commas? First last 3 digit means 1, 2, 3 here, then 2 digit 1, 2 here, again 2 digit, so 1, 2 here. So now this is 9 crore 5 lakh and 41. Now your question number C is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Again here you see this is crore means this is according to Indian system and in crore you have 7 zeros. So again you have to draw 5 blanks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry 7 blanks because this is crore. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the number is 7. So here you write 7 and again 52 lakh and in lakh you have 5 zeros, so you have to left 5 blanks here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write the values in these places. So the number is 52 lakh. So 52, this is 52, and next 1000. So in 1000 you have 3 zeros, means you have to left 3 places, 1, 2, 3, and write the number in this place. So here you have 23. So write here 23, and again 1000 हुआ 202. So how can you write? You write like this, 202. Now here you have to put commas. So how can you put? Here this is according to Indian system, so you can put commas last 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. So this is 7 crore 52 lakh 23,202. Now question number D is $58,423,202. So here you see this is million, means this is according to international, and here in millions you have 6 zeros, so that's why you have to make 6 blanks here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 58 means you write here 58, then 423,000, 423,000, and in 1000 you have 3 zeros, so here you left these places and write 423. How can you write? You write 423. Okay, and next is 202. So here 202, and next you have to put commas. So in Indian international system you have to put commas last 3 digit, means 1, 2, 3 here, again last 3 digit 1, 2, 3 here. So this is 58,423,200. Now your next question, question number E. Here this is 23 lakh, means this is according to Indian system, and here you have 5 zeros, means you make 5 dashes here. Okay, and write 23. Here you write 23, and 31,000, means in 30,000 you have 3 zeros, so you have to left this places and write the number in this place. So this is 30,000. Here you write 30, and again 30,010. So 10 you write here. Here you see this place is blank, so you put zeros here. So this is 23,30010, and you have to put comma here. So here you left last 3 digit, means 1, 2, 3 here, and again last 2 digit, so 1, 2 here. So this is 23,30,002.